to the unboxing of the 17th Dicon magazine. So yeah, so please don't mind. Oh my god, my stuff that are dropping, and a bunch of RDB albums behind. Yes, and if you watch my Japan vlog, which may or may not come first, I don't think so, but you'll probably be able to see my Japan haul vlog because I'm filming this before I film that, because I want to get it over and done with so that I can clean this whole up, because this whole mess here. Do you see my RDB albums here? Yes. Okay, so I will be unboxing two, which is this wonwoo, drawn by Mingyu, and Jonghan, drawn by DINO. Okay, so yeah, these two will be pushed aside. And I'll start off first with this is the Japanese album, the Japanese version, with, they were given by random and HMV, so I didn't get to choose who I got, but lucky me, I got DINO. Yes, my luck, I got that. Actually, I bought two for another friend, which, for her, I got her Woozy drawn by D8 and a D8 drawn by Woozy. That was by luck. My luck was like, wow. So yeah, I got that. And for my friend, I believe for the random B5 postcard, I think she got a Uji, Jonghan, and Tokyo Unit, I think. And a Uji one, I think. Yes, I think so. But for mine, I'll show you later who I got. So, actually I might unbox it. Okay, I'll unbox the Japanese one version later just because it has a random one. But these two are basically the same. I just got two versions for the character soft note. So one I'll be selling the magazine itself away. I mean the full set except for the character soft note. Yes. So let me unbox it. I'm really tired. And like, okay, this is already open, but my nose is so itchy. I feel I'm down for flu, but let's see. I'm not cutting the magazine, by the way. I'm just cutting into the plastic. Okay, I mean, I did see the Japanese version one. It might or might not be the same, I'm not sure, but every Korean version Dicon magazine comes with one member character software which you can choose. Photo card set. Oh my god, and a sticker set. And the magazine, obviously. Try not to be that loud because it's really late at night. Yes. This thing needs to be getting it over and done with. Yeah. So it's pretty quiet, I guess. Oh wait, this is really open here, so I have an extra sticker set for myself. Oh wait, I can open the normal one. What am I saying? It's my friends. I got an extra sticker set for the Korean ones because I don't know if I want to use the stickers or not, so I got extra for myself. First, oh, there's like the sticker here. It says like, don't open open the one. As well, just to show you guys. Yes. Yeah, all the same magazine and stuff are all the same, so yeah. Okay, first off, let's just get like the set months out of the way, but first, so let me just, this. Okay, I'll do the magazine as the last. I believe the Korean and Japanese are the same, so yeah. Okay, start with the photo card, which technically they're all been open, I believe. one. So we have wonwoo, Joshua, Hoshi, DINO with specs, which is like, oh my god, that's why I got this magazine, DINO with specs. Vernon, John, Coops, Sunchor, Group, Minkao, or D8, Sungwan, Uji, Jun, Dokyo, thank you, Shua. Oh, okay, this is the start. So yeah, those are the photo cards. Yeah, it's actually answer already, so it doesn't matter. Okay, next. Okay, stickers first. Okay, stickers. We have 2 of each member. Okay, I don't know why this. Okay, Scoops, Uji, Hoshi, leader line, Maknae line. I think this is how they were released, by the way. They were released like that first, like that. Then I think like that. Then 4 of them were released together. So I'm guessing, I'm just assuming, leader line, Maknae line, vocal line, and I don't know what line is this, but yeah, the 4 of them are released together. But this is obviously the leader line because Scoops, Uji and Hoshi. So it's hip hop vocal performance. Yes, this is the Maknae's, but yeah, Maknae. So Sungwan, Vernon, DINO. I'm just assuming this is vocal line because the other vocals, I mean including Sungwan, but Shua, Dokyo, and Johan, Judy, D8, Mingyu, wonwoo. This is like in which they were released, by the way. Leader line, vocal line, Maknae line. I don't know what line this is, but this is actually the dispatch photos from the You Make My Day, by the way. So this is hip hop unit. Oh my god, sorry. Vocal unit and performance team, group, and this Dicon logo, which I will never use. That means. Okay, so these are the characters of notes. So this is S-Coop, drawn by Joshua. Pretty nice. And the back is S-Coop's signature. This is wonwoo, drawn by Mingyu. Pretty good. I mean, Mingyu's eye is good, but wonwoo signature. So cute. Oh, he looks like a fish. But this is no drawn by Jonghan. And DINO signature at the back. But I think they're all the same inside. They're pretty much like a planner, I guess. So it's basically a whole, like, my whole diary, but one, Sungwan, I think his birthday. This is like written here. Super cute, by the way. February, this is like their birthday, right? It's written here, super cute, and it's like they write their names at the top. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And it's like lines for me to write notes about God knows what. And then there's grids. So yeah, they're all the same. So I shall now talk about the magazine. Oh my god, which is super thick, by the way. And it is just filled with 17 only. Beautiful, right? I'm a bit high now. I mean, I'm pretty tired. I want to just sleep already. But I just want to get this over and done with. Okay. So let's move this away. And let's go. Okay, I'm gonna put this here, but it's a quick flip through, by the way. I might speed this up. So yeah, my eye holiday. There's a title tracks. Tokyo Cowboy, which I don't know what. Oh my god. Actually no, I'll just speed up myself so you can watch this in super fast mode. Let's cook. Oh my god. I need this. I'm gonna scan it. Fuji. Hoshi. Sorry, I'm just looking over my phone to look at the magazine, so I'm talking right straight into the phone. I'm trying to be quiet, but oh my god, this is like the teaser photo. Further one. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is specs. Oh my god. You see, he looks ugly in specs, but dude, this is like the cutest. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. I do not regret buying this magazine at all. Like, I do not regret at all. This is, I'm like paying for like, I mean, it's over like $30-$40, but it's worth it for like, I don't know, 100 over pages of just 17 only, because why not? Oh my god. Mihao. Thank you. Oh my god, this is perfection. What the heck? Q&A, thinking about you. Scoops is too much information, and it's like the whole interview section, I think. Uji is. Hoshi is. And one of the questions is 17 요즘 뭐에 빠져 있나요? Means, what are they like? What is 17 into right now? I mean, it's like a pretty much interview lah. It's different for everybody. 해외 투어 때 가장 생각나는 한국 음식은? What's the Korean food you think of when you're on an overseas tour? What is it? Kimchi. Pronounce it kimchi. DINO is? This is repeated questions. Eh? Some of them are repeated, some of them are not. Yeah. 앞으로 도전해보고 싶은 음악 장르? What type of genre would you like to try in the future? DINO said ballad. 승관 도겸형 처럼 감동적인, oh, like ballad, like what Seungkwan and Do-kyung did, those emotional sad kind of. Joshua is DJ is okay. Let me just, okay, I spent too much time. Indu is hello Rocket. Oh my god, what the shit? Oh my god, it's like freaking behind the scenes. What the heck? And then like there are quotes and stuff. I think of what they said, but God knows. This is like the rehearsals. Oh, I want to find a Singapore. Oh, go, Shanghai. Oh my god, that was like straight up rude. Sensual. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is like freaking everything I needed in my life. Say yes, highlights. All their song names, by the way. What's this? Oh, another more interviews. You make my day. Hip hop. Oh my god, dude, there's scoops. Oh my god, I just didn't do it out of nowhere. That's just my habit, but oh my god. These are the You Make My Day dispatch photo shoots. Oh my god, it is all their faces, by the way. He's so cute. Hey, he looks like him. So I guess Wooji did a great job. I'm sorry, S-Coops, but that does not really look like Joshua. So yeah, this is the back of the magazine. Oh my god, my phone is shaky. Super cute, and there shows like it says Dicon 17 dispatch. Okay, now to show Japanese version. I bet the magazine is just the same, but it says 2,980 yen instead of like 21,800 won. But you can always open it to check. Although I have no idea, I don't actually remember the photos, so. Oh, okay. Before my nice pictures, let me just finish this. Okay, oh, the stickers are inside here. Okay, cool. So I have 3 stickers. I can use it all at once. Okay, yes, it's the same. So, yes. So, for this Japanese version, okay, I tore the plastic and stuff, so I'm not gonna put this back anymore. I got the photo cards with I've arranged in each order. Okay, this is the same soft note. And the file that it comes with, which is this, which is like the back of the magazine. And here it says, Radio Card 17, not for sale. This is the Japan Limited only. So the Japan Limited only also comes with a random B5 postcard, which I shall not show you. And this, the too much information part, they have like the Japanese translated for each member. So there's a certain order to it, by the way. I think the release order, but it's like a whole lot. And then this is like the, you know, the part I look at the bottom. I said they had the interview where they replied, but yeah, this is it. I mean, yeah. If you understand Japanese, here you go, but no, I don't. Just bought it for the random postcard. And for the random postcard, where's my sticker? Oh, it's inside. I'll put it here. For the random postcard, I got wonwoo. Okay, which I'll be trading to DINO as scoops. If not, I'll probably be selling this, but this is not for sale here. There's someone sent a group, so I might buy the group. There's 17 versions, so I'm actually just assuming there's 30 members, a group, and the 3 units, which I will try to collect. Hip Hop Performance Team, group, S-Scoops, and DINO. Yes. So, oh, it's not. I don't think it's a unit. I think it's like the one they were released. That's why my friend had the who is it? Sungwa? No. The Vernon, Dokyeom, and Jonghan one. I think. Yeah, I believe so. So yes, this is just another bag. It's not the best quality. It's just flimsy. Not cardstock, not paper. It's somewhat in between, I guess. It's super like thin. It's like, you know, those stuff. What's that called? I have no idea. But yeah. Okay. So this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.